Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We've got the Honda out today and we're going to be doing some POV driving on a back road with the car. I've done a couple of these videos with my WRX but never with the SI, so I figured it'd be fun to take out the SI and do some POV driving with it as well. This car, although it's not fast, it's not really that quick, it's a very fun car to drive. There's just something about the K-series motor in these SIs that, you know, it's just really fun. The K20 or the K24. The gearbox on the Civic SI is also very nice, and it's just shifting in it is just really fun, and just banging through gears, and the car revs up pretty high. So although it's not the fastest car out there, it's definitely pretty fun. Just want to give you guys a quick walk around. The car is bagged, it's on airlift suspension. As you can see, of course, it's a pretty stancy car, so, you know, it's not meant for performance or anything like that. It's mainly a show car, but I do still have fun driving it. It's a very fun car to drive. So just a quick little walk around before we get in it. I'm going to be putting the GoPro on and just going to go and take a nice drive. It's a really nice day out, Sunday, beautiful weather. So yeah, let's get inside and let's go for a drive. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Almost at 2,000 subs, so definitely remember to hit the subscribe button.